Cenat's story sounds impossible. A single mom, 3 siblings, homeless shelters. Today, 17 million plus people watch his every move. Here's the one strategy that helped him create a $14 million empire. Kai went from complete obscurity to breaking the all-time Twitch subscriber record with 306,000 subs during his March 2023 Subathon. His streams regularly pulled 200K plus concurrent viewers. But his journey had the humblest of beginnings.
Psychopath. No arms don't count. What? Bro, oh! What is that? What is it? What is it? Take my bathroom. What kind of one are you gonna get? Oh, I just want something to like spin the block. Like, get out of here. Get out of here. What you say? Get out of here. Like, I just want them to boom.
PvP.
Boom.
PvP.
Yeah, PvP. Okay. So anybody try to mess with me? Wingardium Leviosa. You're finished.
And then they're gonna lift up.
Yeah, lift up and then fly away. Like keep going.
His family relocated from the Bronx to Georgia, where they lived in a homeless shelter, before returning to New York. I don't tell nobody that. I still have shelter sheets in my crib in New York, Kai once revealed. This shaped a mindset that would redefine content creation.
Before returning to NYC.
When I was in the Bronx is when things started to feel normal. I started to feel like things started to feel normal and go a little easier than usual.
In middle school, when he was about 13 years old, Kai began uploading short comedic skits to Facebook before eventually branching out to Instagram.
At Frederick Douglass Academy, Kai started experimenting with content. His principal discovered his early YouTube videos and called them trash. Instead of quitting, Kai doubled down. His first videos, simple smash or pass reactions and Q&As.
Money, flashy cars, icy jewelry, and millions of subscribers. But little do y'all know, Kai wasn't just struggling, he was fighting to survive. Kai wasn't even supposed to be here, bro. His whole odds were stacked against him, but even when life had him down, Kai always had that hustle.
After high school, Kai got a regular 9-to-5 while attending college. The safe route. But something kept pulling him toward content creation. He saw others succeeding, and if they can do it, why not me? It was time for his first big risk. Yes, I officially dropped out of college, he announced to his audience. A terrifying decision for someone who grew up with zero financial security.
Most of y'all might be like, no, Kai, what is wrong with you? Why are you dropping out for? The college videos is freaking bangers, man. The college videos is what made this channel. I'm not even gonna lie. The college video is what's made this channel. But let me tell y'all something, man. When you know that something is holding you back from getting to the next level, it's like you just have to sacrifice that. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm going to miss college daily. For real, I'm going to miss college dearly. But I just came to a realization that it was actually holding me back in the long run.
His first breakthrough came from a collaboration strategy nobody saw coming. He collabed with Phantom, who introduced him to what would become the AMP Collective. This was crucial. It gave Kai both creative partners and expanded his reach. But his real genius was about to emerge in a surprising way that contradicted the solo creator myth.
He did it. He went and jumped in the pool, like, no hesitation. He was like, I do it, boom, did it. And I was like, nah, like, that was tough, because it really showed me that he ain't had no fears, bro.
Kai already knew that he was on the path to fame. He wasn't scared of putting himself out there. Instead, he knew that being the biggest personality in the room was how he could make sure his fan base grew.
Alright, in today's video, we will be escaping prison.
Welcome to Fear Factor, where 6 contestants battle it out over a span of 8 intense challenges. These stunts challenge the contestants both physically and mentally.
Building a team multiplies output quality and audience growth. While others did everything themselves, Kai hired a dedicated cameraman, brought on a top-tier editor, and added a thumbnail specialist. In early 2021, Kai made a platform switch from YouTube to Twitch.
To the secret star that expanded Kai's career. Now that secret star is named Chris. Chris became Kai's cameraman right after he dropped out of college.
I'm curious how you got to the point where you started working with Kai.
It was during quarantine. He posted, looking for a cameraman in New York. Swiped the up and I said, hey, I'm here. And he was like, all right, pull up. And he sent me his address and I just pulled up. He explained the video and we literally just got to work.
And this is one of the smartest things Kai has ever done. It helped Kai's channel blow the hell up. Kai used to always film by himself, so that made it harder to make content he really wanted to do. So having a dedicated cameraman made it able for him to do other things. Since that move, they've reached a wider audience and gained millions of views.
Instead of just replicating his content, he reinvented the Subathon format entirely. celebrity appearances, live fan interactions, sleeping on camera, real-time challenges. The strategy was genius.
Him the most sub to Twitch streamer by the end of it.
We're about there, boys. There it is! You were here. This is the new record on Twitch for most subscribers all time. Holy shit, that was insane.
But the difference is that, once again, Kai came in with a plan. Ludwig's stream was an uncapped sub bonanza that ended up going far longer than he initially intended. Kai, on the other hand, knew how long he was going to be live for and what content he would be making each day. The only thing he didn't know was how huge it would get.
His March 2023 marathon stream shattered records with 300,000 plus subscribers and ran for nearly 30 days straight. Kai immediately planned his next moves. He understood that momentum is everything in the creator economy, a lesson that separates one-hit wonders from empire builders.
100,000 subscriber mark and officially broke Ludwig's record. Kai also became the first black streamer to be crowned the king of Twitch.
I think my favorite part of the Subathon was like just the experience, bro. Just seeing all the ups and downs of it, all like the momentum of it, all like seeing the chat like going to its lowest and then coming back up to its highest, and actually being able to say, my favorite part of the Subathon probably be actually saying that I completed it and I was able to do it.
Another lesson comes from his community building approach. He branded fans as the mafia, creating a sense of belonging through direct chat engagement midstream. Loyalty checks, rewarding longtime supporters, turning viewers into active participants.
My supporters, I love y'all to death. Streamer of the year is crazy, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Most creators fail to diversify revenue beyond platform payments. Kai built multiple streams, limited edition merch drops that sell out in hours, major brand sponsorships, YouTube highlight monetization, strategic business investments. The blueprint from Kai's journey. 1. Consistency above all else. 2. Build a team rather than doing everything solo. 3. Turn your audience into a community with a shared identity. 4. Create events, not just content. 5. Diversify revenue beyond platform payments. Kai's Subathon format hits all 5 of these points. His November 2024 Subathon event was 30 straight days, consistency. Several celebrities popped in, leveraging others. He read chat responses and responded to them live. Community. The numbers were insane. 727,700 subscribers, new world record, 50 million unique views, $3.6 million in revenue. These numbers make sponsors line up and give him an avenue to diversify his revenue beyond platform payments. Look closer at Kai's success, and you'll see it wasn't just talent. The cornerstone was his audience conversion system. Every piece of content had a clear path for viewers to become subscribers, subscribers to become customers, and customers to become superfans.